On Ilkley Moor Bartat, on Ilkley Moor Bartat, on Ilkley Moor Bartat. Welcome to Ilkley. Hello again, it's the Yorkshire Trekker, and today we're doing a walk in Ilkley. Taking in a few points of interest, including the Cow and Calf Rocks, the White Wells Spa and the 12 Apostles, which is a group of stones, like a mini Stonehenge. So yeah, I'm accompanied today again by my daughter, Samantha. Say hello!
Hello again!
So this is a 6-mile walk. It's a little bit misty. It's not an over clear day. It's not too cold, but we're wrapped up nice and warm. So we're about to get ready. Let's go. So basically start the walk at the top of White Wells Road in Darwin Gardens. It's a car park. It's free, which is always good. But this is where you start your walk. So you basically come to end of Darwin Gardens and then we turn right. And then we head up towards white buildings in the background. But the first point of interest is the White Wells Spa. There we are, the white buildings in the background is a White Wells Spa. So that's us first leg at journey. Is to climb this little bit of a hill to get up there.
So at the minute we're out of puff climbing stairs. You can see it back. Well, you can't see because it's fog, but on a clearer day you'll be able to see it a lot better. So we've reached the White Wells Bathhouse. Fortunately, obviously it's time of year, but it's closed, so we can't show you inside. Basically, from what I can gather, it's a natural spa, so like a circular pool. And according to the plaque down in that car park, Charles Darwin used to come up here and he used to jump straight into that spa, freezing cold water. Normally it is open to the public, you can have a walk around it. Probably I'll jump in if you want, I suppose, but lovely little white building. It's at the top of this hill and got some lovely views down towards Ilkley. We've walked up all them steps, up that slope halfway to White Wells Spa. I burnt a lot of energy, so it can only mean one thing. It's grenade time. Whoa, stop. I'm afraid Grenade aren't sponsoring us, so we've got something new to try today. How Sam's found this? Pro to go!
Pro to go! So this is Pro to go. It's full of protein, 23 grams, it's double choc chip. So we're going to try this for a change. So here we go, this is a review of Pro to go. Go to Pro, is it?
Pro to go.
Oh, Pro to go. Oh yes, look at that. That looks nice, that. Right, Sam's just broke it in half. She's going to try it first half. So let's have your opinion, Sam.
Nice.
Is
Why
it?
are they also chewy? What protein stuff?
Oh, chewy.
It's nice though.
Yeah? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Yeah,
Thumbs up. Better than Grenade?
No, probably not.
All right. Oh,
No.
Ooh, controversial.
No, I prefer Grenade actually, yeah.
Oh. Right, my turn.
Not as nice though.
Oh, it's
Oh yeah, you prefer them?
No, it's nice. Go thumbs up, it's tasty. But yeah, it's a little bit stodgier than Grenade.
Yeah.
We might come back to you yet, Grenade. We'll see. We'll give this a chance. We'll see how much energy we get out of this.
So give us a sponsor, yeah?
So from White Wells Spa, you've got steps going up to the right, or this track going left round the hillside. You can take either one, they both lead you up to the top at Moors. You can see up there in this, that's where we're heading. So it does get quite steep and the floor underneath is a bit boggy and slippy. So just be careful.
So we've come quite far up, still not quite there yet, still got to get up there.
So what's happened is now we've just come from that direction and we've joined now the real path. So we are now both assuming that if you take the right hand side of the spa, you come up those steps and this will bring you on the proper path. But if you want a bit of an adventure, go left. There's no set way really as well. They kind of just, it'll come to a fork and it'll split off and you can go one way or other. We're now gonna, well again we've come to the fork, we can either go down that way, where am I? Which takes you up them steps. Oh, there's that way. Mist aren't really lifted. A bit warm now actually. I said steps, but it's more like rock climbing to be honest. We're having to be really careful. It's quite tricky. It's not like just normal even steps. I can't film while I'm doing that. So basically, you're just following the track straight on. And what you'll do is we just come to a little stream, and then you cross that little stream, and then you come over there, and it's almost like flagstones. So you just follow these. We know we're on the right way to the 12 Apostle Stones, because we've asked, just to make sure. Yeah, I mean, it's all moorland. There's absolutely no shelter whatsoever. So if you do come on this walk, make sure you do pack the right clothes, right equipment.
I've just been talking about as the route we've came. It was quite muddy and challenging, but that's what it's all about, innit? You've got to take a challenge now and again. That's what we're doing. The Yorkshire Trekkers, and we sure are trekking.
Now bearing in mind we're not expert walkers, not yet anyway, but the first part of this walk we have actually found quite challenging, maybe because we took the harder route towards them rocky cliffs rather than the true footpath that we should have probably took. But now we are at the top of the moors. It's quite flat, so it's a lot easier to walk on.
Don't know what purpose of these rocks are here, but for anyone who's ever seen Blair Witch Project, it always reminds me of that.
Right, so these are the 12 Apostles. These little stones. Like his little guide says, it's no Stonehenge. They're about 3 feet high. what the significance is, we've no idea. Even the directions we've got as guide say no. In fact, it questions its authenticity. I'm actually feeling a vibe inside, you know, in the middle of this. yeah, I'm getting a strong vibe here. In fact, I think I might have superpowers now. So when his guide it says this is the most significant monument around this area, especially on the moorland. And in fact I think we're not far off now from a cluster of rocks. I think we're going to stop there, have a break, have us mushroom soup. Grandma and Grandad's world famous homemade mushroom soup. Find it at your local store. Just shortly after we had as dinner on them rocks, we came to the fork in road. There was straight on, which is up on top there. But we diverted and we come down this track that's leading us from up there and down. Because over that way is there's a valley. And if I remember rightly from the last time we did this walk, down that valley, back up the other side, and then we're pretty much then along the ridge that takes us back to where we first started, back to Ilkley. So there's still a fair way to go yet. Temperature's really dropped. We've warmed up a little bit now because we're walking again, but his hands, oh God, freezing. Our Sam's put thicker gloves on.
Need some hand warmers.
Yeah, we need some hand warmers next time. I were only at walking shop yesterday and I looked at them and I thought, well, no, we won't need them. I wish I'd have got some now. From that trail we've come down there, then basically what we've done is we've double backed on ourselves to get down this ravine here, this valley. We need to be heading up over there, but there's many tracks which you can take. I mean, the one earlier we could have gone down there, we could have carried on and then gone down. That would have been a little bit steeper, but I think we've got just about the right angle really for this track. It'll take us down there somewhere. We can cross that valley and then back up. That'll then take us to that ridge and we'll just follow that ridge back into Ilkley. Oh, poor little rabbit's had either had a nasty accident or something's got out of it. It were basically just half a rabbit. They look quite fresh and all, didn't it? There's loads of blood and guts, so well, that's nature, unfortunately. Well, unfortunately for that rabbit. this track going back towards Ilkley. There's a couple of sheer drops straight down. Oh, it makes me go all funny looking at it. You know that feeling, Danny Broadbent? You know what I'm talking about, don't you? So as you can see in distance, that's the Cow and Calf Rocks. And we're not too far away from it now, we've just got over this bit of moorland just across. Past deteriorated more into a rocky mess really, but it flattens out further over there. So now we've come to the Cow and Calf Rocks. I'm just taking a walk up to the top of this edge here. I'm going to try and get a nice view over towards the rocks. Just got to be a bit careful, it's a bit very steep actually. Oh, look at that for the view. Wow. As you can see, there's a lot more people around here. This is probably the main attraction around Ilkley, the Cow and Calf Rocks. People obviously like to come up and sit atop the rocks, just have a look out. Those brave enough to venture out to edge. And that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to have a little walk to, well, as far as we dared anyway. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh good. Well, we'll just have a peep over the edge and we might climb down a little bit if we can get to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful.
We're
Very slippy.
I know, we're kidding, we're not really. So we're here on top of Cow Rock. Me and now Sam. Like I said, like right on the edge of the world. It is a bit air raising, a bit scary, but it's a lovely view. Best view actually that we've had so far, isn't it, Sam?
Definitely. Especially now it's cleared up.
Yeah. So we've just come from Cow and Calf Rocks. The last bit is a little bit of woodland actually. It's the only bit of woodland that we've seen. So yeah, there's nothing much really else to tell you until we get back to camp. We'll do a little review when we get back. So just a little review about the walk we've just done, the Cow and Calf walk through Ilkley. Yeah, it was a lovely walk actually, best one we've done yet. Parking was free, as I've said before, that's always a good thing. The walk is mainly moorland, so there's not really that much to see, apart from the 3 points of interest, the spa, the 12 Apostles and the Cow and Calf Rocks. But to be honest, even so, it's a lovely walk. The trek back towards Ilkley along the ridge, there's some lovely views, there's some lovely scenery, so it's well worth it, even though you do spend a lot of time at moorlands. But yeah, we really enjoyed this walk. Oh, we did actually find out on our way back that the Whitewell Spa was actually open later on. I think it was just a bit too early in the day when we got there, so it were all closed, which was a shame. Shame we couldn't show you it, but you know, there's always another time. it can be quite arduous at times. So, child friendly? Probably not toddlers. Would you say, Sam? No,
Older kids.
older kids, yeah. But toddlers, no.
Lot climbing.
Yeah, there's actually a bit of climbing actually at some points. It says that the steps, or they look like steps, when actually they're just massive rocks, aren't they? Also, the way it's set out, you're not really restricted to one route. You can make the walk as long or as short as you like.
Yep, enjoyed that walk. Really enjoyed it. That's what best we've done so far. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to the Yorkshire Trekker. Look at that idiot there. Hanging off cliff.